Hello everyone and welcome to the Back to Basics Social Media Ads Done the Right Way Training Workshop. My name is LJ Jose, your trainer for today.
I'm currently working as a virtual assistant for more than a decade, and I am a jack of all trades, master of none. That's why I am here at the Back to Basics Social Media Ads Done the Right Way, because I'm trying to see if I can master Facebook ads or social media ads in the future. My number one key takeaway in this training is that to never post again.
I am very thankful with this workshop. I learned a lot today because I'm not the techie guy na medyo maraming alam pagdating sa advertisement online. So, I have to improve myself and I'm very thankful naging part ako ng training and seminar today, because I feel like very behind with my way of strategizing on how to do the market and create sales, more sales in my business. Medyo I am left behind with the other competitors of mine dahil konti din yung knowledge ko about sa online marketing. I could not say thank you more this one-day workshop kasi marami talaga ako nalaman today.
Attending this session with LJ was such a breather and refresher because I was able to understand the basics of social media and how to make full use of these platforms, since I am honestly not into digital. I'm not tech savvy, however, but this opened a lot of opportunities and what else we can do with the social media that we have.
Today we are here to learn about the basic fundamentals of social media ads.
Today's workshop, I learned how to do ads the right way. And thank you to Sir LJ for teaching us and for doing a good job in this workshop.
What I've learned today is a refresher course to how to run an ads and basic fundamentals of Facebook ads managing. So thank you to Sir LJ.
I'm currently a virtual assistant. What I learned in this seminar is there are things that we do in doing Facebook ads, but here, knowing the fundamentals, the basic among basics, we can see the difference. Bakit nagkaka-encounter tayo ng restriction? How to prevent them from happening, kasi maraming nasasayang ng mga accounts because of this restriction, etc.
Review the advertising policies always.
It's really a nice experience because we really learned a lot. I have a basic knowledge about FB ads, but upon joining the seminar today, there's really a lot of things that I really need to know. And luckily, I took this course or this seminar. So much learning that we got today, so much strategies that we can apply to our business.
What I can say regarding the seminar, the environment is very warm, it's very welcoming, and Sir LJ is so approachable and he's fun, it's not boring at all. Even if we started like 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., we never got like bored. We never felt asleep or feeling sleepy. It's that interactive, and then you can raise questions wherever you want, whenever. Yeah. After the seminar or this workshop, the Back to Basics Social Media Ads Done the Right Way, I can see myself that I can apply the learnings that I have and then to be more successful in the coming years.
For your business.
Yes, for my business. Thank you, Sir LJ, and yeah, more power to your company and to your team, because I bet you could help a lot of aspiring businessmen and women that can use this platform for more success and, of course, sales and profits to their businesses. Thanks!
Thank you!
Hey guys, so it's already the end of the Back to Basics Social Media Ads Done the Right Way Training Workshop. I just wanted to thank everyone, all of the attendees, my assistants, and our entire production team and the center team who has been part of this since day one. Thank you so much, everyone, and I hope that you learned a lot and you're gonna be implementing your learnings as well. I look forward to see your results and your success.